My name is Mike Weber. I'm the service manager. I've been here 23 years. Been great. Been great. Love my job. Been here a long time. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. Customers, the crew we have here, good clientele, customer base. I enjoy the people. Made a lot of friends. Yeah, I got bad back issues, but I still ride once in a while. I had an '07 Fat Boy. Not on that one. I've been to Sturgis 3 times on an old Shovelhead I had. That was a lot of fun. They're a little more difficult than the older stuff, but for the most part, Harley's come a long ways with their research and development. Everything's new. They keep changing everything daily, it seems like. But for the most part, yeah, they're good machines. We love it back there. We got a good staff. All my mechanics wanted to learn. If we have any issues, we all figure it out together. It's kind of a challenge, but we always overcome and figure it out. Well, I've been working on motorcycles since I was about 11 years old. I bought my first dirt bike. I told my dad I wanted a bike, and he said, if you earn half the money, I'll buy it. So I mowed lawns in the cul-de-sac for a whole summer and saved up the money, and he bought me a Yamaha YZ80. Got that, and then when I was 15, my brother had a Honda Super Sport. He wrecked it. He owed my dad $400, and my dad said if I wanted to give him $400, well, I gave him the $400 for it, took it to the body shop, straightened the fork tubes out, and rode the heck out of it. Well, I kind of learned myself. I went to an ROP class in high school for 2 years, motorcycle mechanics. That's what really got me started. I used to watch my dad working on cars and always helping him, and he showed me the different wrench sizes and what they did and so forth. And then, like I said, I was always tearing something apart. Customer service, you got to have customer service. I get a lot of feedback from other dealers, people that go to other dealers, and say, once they get your money, they don't care about you. Here at Lifestyle, you become family. Customer service, you got to treat people nice. You got to be fair. You can't price gouge them, and just give them what they ask for. Spend time with them. A lot of shops don't do that. Once you get their money, they just want to run you out the door. We don't do that here. We make you feel at home, make you feel special, give you what you pay for, and make sure the job's done right. I have a good customer relationship. I've had customers that have been bringing their bikes here for me for 20 years. They won't take it nowhere else, and which makes me feel good. It means we're doing something right. It's just, like I said, we're family oriented. Everybody gets along here. Everybody helps one another. Anybody gets into a pinch, we're always here to pick each other up. It's like a big family. Yeah, any customer, we work on all the newer stuff. I don't care if you want to bring your own tires in or your own fluids. It doesn't matter to me. I get the job. I make you get it done. People want to save money. I have no problem with that. They get, well, can I bring my own tires? Sure. Not a problem at all.